Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we making pullover round neck sweater for boys and girls. The size we making for 5 to 6 year old. Length 17 inches. Chest size 26 inches. The size we making for 5 to 6 year old. Sleeve length from underarm 10 inches. Okay, let us start work from the neckline. Here we add a pattern into the center of sweater front. We add a pattern into center of front, and here we add the same pattern into sleeve middle. Here a back side simple double crochet. Okay, let us start the pattern. A pullover round neck sweater for 5 to 6 year old. For this sweater we are using double knit 400 grams with 3 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, let us start from the neckline. Make a loop. Chains 84. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 81 82 83 84 chains. Make a slip stitch to join. Okay, round 1 3 chain. We count first double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each chain around. Do and continue. Make 1 double crochet in each chain around. Continue and make 1 double crochet in each chain around. Make double crochet into last 2 chains. Do slip stitch into third chain. Okay, in my next round we're going to divide stitches for shoulder and front back. Okay, here a neckline we divide stitches 15 for shoulder, 15 for second shoulder, 25 front and 25 for back side. My next round here we going to add the pattern. Okay, round 2 3 chain. We count first double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch to next corner for shoulder. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14 and 15. Here for shoulder make 15 double crochet into next stitch mark stitch, make a corner, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. From here do and continue. For front make 1 double crochet, next 25 stitches. Okay, do and continue 1 double crochet. Do and continue the same work around 1 double crochet for front 25 stitches into next stitch mark stitch. Do the same work, make a corner into next stitch mark, 1 double crochet for shoulder 15 stitches, corner into stitch mark stitch. Do the same work around here. Okay, do and continue the same work around. Okay, here at the end of round 2, make double crochet last 2 stitches. Here into stitch mark stitch, make a corner double crochet, chain and double crochet. Do slip stitch into third chain to join round. 5 stitches for back side, corner, 15 stitches shoulder, corner, 25 stitches front, here corner and 15 stitches for second front. Okay, in round 3 here we going to add pattern. Three chain, we count first double crochet, one, two, three, four chain, skip next double crochet, into next double crochet, make 3 double crochet together. Three double crochet together, chain 1, skip next stitch, make double crochet, 3 together. Chain 1 for the shoulder, do and continue the same work, skip next stitch, 3 double crochet together, chain 1, skip next stitch, double crochet, 3 together. Okay, make 1 double crochet into next double crochet, make a corner into next make a corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain and double crochet. Here into front, do the same work done here. Double crochet into next corner, make front post, make double crochet 3 together into next stitch. This is a front, do the same work, chain 1, skip next stitch, double crochet, 3 together, as we done for shoulder. Do and continue the same work for the front as we done here for shoulder. Chain 1, skip next stitch, double crochet, 3 together into next stitch. Chain 1, do and continue the same work for front 25 stitches to next corner. Okay, here we work for front 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 front post, skip the next stitch, make here we work for front, double crochet 3 together. Okay, here skip the next stitch, double crochet 3 together, make 1 double crochet into corner, into middle of corner, double crochet, chain and double crochet, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet together, group, make into shoulder. 1 double crochet, next double crochet, corner stitch, make double crochet together 3 times, next stitch, chain 1, do and continue for the shoulder, skip next stitch, double crochet 3 together into next stitch, chain 1, continue the same work to next corner. Okay, here we make 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 1, skip next stitch, double crochet 3 together into next stitch, 7, chain 1, make skip next stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet into next stitch, into corner stitch. Here into corner, make double crochet, chain and double crochet. Okay, for the back side, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, normal double crochet, continue for back side, okay, 1 double crochet in each stitch to next corner, corner into middle of corner, do and continue, normal double crochet in each stitch. Okay, here at the end of round 3, make double crochet into corner stitch, corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, 1 double crochet into next corner stitch, do slip stitch to join into third chain. This is round 3. Round 4, 3 chain, we count first double crochet, chain 4, these 3 chain we count first double crochet, 4 chain, these 3 chain we count first double crochet, chain 1 for middle, make double crochet 3 together, top of the stitch, chain 1, double crochet 3 together, top of the stitch, chain 1, do and continue for shoulder, make double crochet 3 together, chain 1, chain 1, do and continue, double crochet 3 together, chain 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, double crochet 3 together, chain 1, 1 double crochet, next 2 stitches into corner, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, double crochet together, 1 double crochet, next 2 stitches into corner, make corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Okay, this is a front, do the same work as we done for shoulder, make 1 double crochet, next 2 stitches for corner, double crochet into next double crochet, 2 stitches and make chain 1, double crochet 3 together into top of the stitch, chain 1, double crochet 3 together, top of the stitch, chain 1, do and continue the same work, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, this is 13, double crochet 3 together, top of the stitch, chain 1, here into corner 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Here into shoulder do the same work, make 1 double crochet, next 2 stitches, chain 1, double crochet, 3 together, top of the stitch, chain 1, do and repeat 7 times. Here into 7 double crochet together stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and continue, chain 1, double crochet, 3 together, top of the previous double crochet together stitch, do and continue the same work across to corner, 1 double crochet, here into double crochet stitches, make a corner into middle of corner, then 1 double crochet into back side across to end. Okay, here at the end of round 5, at the end of round 5, make double crochet into corner stitch, make corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, 1 double crochet, next corner stitch and 1 double crochet into next stitch. Here make slip stitch into third chain. From here do and continue the same work as round 4 for the chest. Here into double crochet stitches, make double crochet together stitch, make double crochet together, 1 2 3 4, chain 4. This is round 5. Do and continue the same work as round 4. Chain 4, double crochet together 3 times, chain 1, here into next double crochet together stitch, make 3 double crochet together. Do and continue the same work for shoulder. Here into double crochet together stitch, make double crochet together, do and continue the same work. Here make 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 1 and here 7, double crochet 3 together. For shoulder 7 times double crochet together stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, chain 1, here into next double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet, continue and make 1 double crochet into double crochet stitches, here into corner, make a corner, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Here at front do the same work as we done here, make double crochet, next 3 stitches, double crochet into double crochet, 3 stitches, chain 1, make double crochet together 3, chain 1, double crochet together 3 times, chain 1, do and continue the same work across to the front to the next corner, double crochet together, 13 double crochet together for front, and here into double crochet stitches, make double crochet this side, chain 1, double crochet, next double crochet stitches. Here into corner make double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet into corner space, 1 double crochet, next double crochet stitches, chain 1. Here for the second front do the same work as we done this side. Here into double crochet together stitch, make double crochet together 3 times, chain 1, double crochet together top of the stitch, chain 1, do and continue 7 times and 1 double crochet into double crochet stitches, make a corner into middle of corner, double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet into middle of corner, then 1 double crochet, continue for the back side. Here into third chain make a slip stitch. Okay, for the pattern of chest do and follow the same work as round 5 as you want to make the chest. Okay, here we complete 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 rounds from top, 7 inches arm, corner to corner 10 inches. Okay, in my next round, in round 15 we going to divide stitches for sleeve, leave the sleeve part and join front to back in my next round. Okay, here we finish off. This is a sleeve part, here finish off. Finish off here and join yarn into middle of stitch here, join yarn into corner. This is round 15. We going to divide stitches for sleeve. This is a back side and this is a sleeve. Three chain, 1 2 3, 3 leave sleeve opening, leave sleeve stitches here in my next corner stitch, make a double crochet. Here into front do and continue the same work, double crochet, 1 into corner stitch, make 1 double crochet into middle stitch, 1 double crochet into corner stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch, okay, here we make 1 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet 3 together into stitch of together stitch into double crochet together stitch, make double crochet 3 together, chain 1, do and continue, repeat the same pattern as we work for the chest, double crochet 3 together, chain 1, here into corner make double crochet into corner stitch, 1 double crochet into middle of chain, leave the second sleeve part here and make double crochet into corner stitch, leave the second sleeve part here and continue into back side, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. into this stitch. Here do slip stitch into third chain, complete a round. Okay, from here we going to start next round, round 16. Round 16, 3 chain we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. From the corner here, this is round 16. From round 16 do and follow the same pattern as we done for the chest. Okay, make 1 double crochet into double crochet stitches. Here into together stitch, make the same work as we done here. Chain 1, 3 double crochet together. Make 3 double crochet together as we done in the pattern. Chain 1, 3 double crochet together. Chain 1. This is round 16. From round 16 for the sweater do and follow the same pattern as we done for the chest. Here into double crochet stitches, make double crochet, and here into together stitch, make together stitch, chain 1. Repeat the same work around. This is a back side, make a simple double crochet here across, and for the sleeve both side do and follow the same pattern as we done. 16 rounds, 8.5 inches from the neckline, 15. Okay, now we going to make a border for the sweater. Make a border, 3 chains. Chains we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. 3 chain we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Here into pattern, here into chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet into stitch of we done. Here make 1 double crochet into chain, double crochet 1 into next stitch, 1 double crochet into chain. Okay, do and continue the same work around into the pattern and into double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet around for the bend. Okay, make 1 double crochet in my last stitch, slip stitch to join into third chain. Round 2, repeat 3 round front post and back post. Here make front post, double crochet into first stitch, front post into next stitch, 2 front post, 2 back post. Here into back post, into back post, make double crochet, back post, double crochet next stitch, 2 front post, 2 back post, not working into the stitch, into post of double crochet, make front post, front post, into next 2 stitches, and back post, next 2 stitches, working into back post, next double crochet, Here we done a bend, front post, back post, round 2. Here into last 2 stitches make back post, double crochet. Okay, here into front post make a slip stitch. Repeat for the bend. Front post into front post, 2 stitches, and back post into back post, 2 stitches. Do and continue. Front post into front post, 2 stitches, and back post into back post, 2 stitches. Do and continue. Front post into front post, 2 stitches, and back post into back post, 2 stitches. Okay, do and continue. Okay, now we going to show you do and follow the same pattern as we done for the sweater. Follow the same pattern for the sleeve. Here we done one of the sleeve. Here we done 3 round for the bend, 2 front post and back post round, and 1 of double crochet round. Total 3 round. Length from shoulder complete total 17 inches. Okay, do the same work around the neckline. Repeat 2 round as we done here for front post and back post. Repeat 2 round around neckline and make 1 of sleeve. Do the same way, do and follow the same work. 10 inches, 1 inch a bend, and 9 inch a sweater here, and join into middle stitch here. Three chain, 1 2 3. 3 chain we count first double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. These 3 chain we count a double crochet, here 1 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 1, do the same pattern and follow, make 3 double crochet together as we working for the sweater. Chain 1, repeat and continue, 3 double crochet together. Chain 1, do and continue the same work around. Here into double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet. We complete a double crochet in pattern around. Here into last stitch of corner, make double crochet, do slip stitch into third chain to join as we done here. Total 16 round. Repeat for the pattern of sleeve. 3 chain we count first double crochet, do and follow the same work, 1 double crochet in each double crochet stitches. Okay, do and follow the same work for the sleeve, 1 double crochet into double crochet stitches, and for the pattern do and follow the same work for the pattern. Ten inches length. Length total 10 inches, 9 inches double crochet round, and 1 inch a border as we done here. 3 round, 1 of double crochet, 2 front post, back post round. Repeat here. Total 10 inches. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this pattern. For more video, like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button for new videos. Thanks for watching.